Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this rewind video edit on CapCut PC. So you'll need the rewind video overlay. You can find that on YouTube or on TikTok. There's a lot. Just search rewind overlay, and you also need just like a normal video. I just have this video of driving like a car, and if your video is pretty fast, you don't need to change the speed later on, but if it's pretty slow, you do need to change it. So I'm just going to split it like around here, and then I'm just going to copy and paste the footage, and then after that, on the second footage, I'm going to press the reverse button. So you do have to select the clip for that bit to show up. And as you can see, the overlay is also like pretty short, so I want this to match the overlay. So I'm going to go to speed, and I'm going to make sure it is short enough for the overlay. There you go. Select the overlay and go to video and go to basic and choose like screen or brighten. It is totally up to you. And that is it really. It should look like this at the end. This is the rewind part. Ready? I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!